we're leaving the Pitan, no, bound for Jensan, our last day of
In
road
300 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Dipolog, Oroquia the National Road.
trip. Mag-left turn kami going to Oroqueta, yung rotonda. This is the marker. Okay. Yan, gracias. Hasta la vista. Ikot kami dito. Yan. Ito yung rota ng Oroqueta. So the trip will take us mga 10 hours to Jensan. ETA is 7:09, no? Sa Google, but mga 6:30 yan or less. So we'll be taking yung first break sa Pagadian, no? Doon na kayo magpa full tank because more than half tank pa yung fuel. That is our last full tank, no? Before reaching Jensan. Parang total na fuel from Manila to Jensan, okay na rin siya, tipid, no? Parang less than 12,000. Mas mahal pa yung ferry. Ferry is more expensive than yung fuel. So let us see kung how significant yung infra here. Dumaan din kami dito before COVID. Before COVID o after COVID ba? After COVID pala dumaan kami dito. This was before, parang under expansion pa. But right now, okay naman siya. Supposedly, yung original plan was to cross yung Panggil Bridge. Unfortunately, hindi natapos, no? So we changed also our plans. We will be taking the shorter na, we'll be saving mga 2 to 3 hours the Pitan to Cotabato rather than taking yung Iligan, Cagayan, or Carmen, Bukidnon area. Okay lang to dito because we'll be traveling naman araw yung area ng Parang going to Cotabato City. Yung area lang kasi na iniiwasan ng mga motorist dyan kung maggabihan ka, or your vehicle will be marked. But so far naman that area full ng mga panyan. Wala masyadong mga incidents na because the ARMM is being run by the MILF na yan. Okay, sa next city naman tayo.